Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm excited to be unboxing and reviewing for you a 2-pack of Wi-Fi smart sockets right here. They plug right in your wall and are compatible with Amazon Alexa, Google Home, that sort of thing. So really cool. Here's how they come packaged too. The link will be in my video description below. You can check it out on Amazon, see if it's the right product for you. But we are going to continue to unbox and review this and see how we like it. So again, really cool packaging. Again, you're not going to save the packaging, but really cool, really nice. Well built, just comes in a little envelope from Amazon directly. So yeah, we'll go ahead right now. We'll dive in and open them up. First thing out of the box, user manual. Second thing, we see both of the smart sockets, which is really cool. Pretty big, nice form factor. I really like, they got this kind of like metallic, silvery finish at the top. I think that looks really cool. And then they just have your typical white for like your standard sockets and faceplates at home, and a nice big power button on them. So they look really cool. Really happy with that. Pretty neat build quality. Again, you can see that reflective shininess for the silver. Big power button up top. You will not be able to probably use both of these in the same receptacle. They just look too big. But you can plug one into two different ones, which is cool. And then we'll just kind of go ahead and look through the manual really quick just to see. Most of these processors are the same. They all generally use one or two of the same apps. So you have a power button. You can go to smart, looks like Smart P socket to add them is the app, and it has a QR code right here to go straight to the app. Very straightforward. Basically, go here, download the app on your phone, click add a device, your power on your device, add socket, enter your Wi-Fi password, wait for the configuration to complete, and then you're good to go. And then you'll be able to do just about anything with these, schedule on and offs for the week, for the day, that sort of thing. And just use your phone to remotely turn them on and off. So I have a bunch of other videos for very similar sockets on my channel that actually show downloading and installing the apps to get these to work. So go ahead, check those out. Really straightforward, really easy to use. This is all you need to actually get going, which is awesome. So really helpful instructions. They even show you all the screenshots and everything. So great little product. Again, they're on Amazon. What's cool is this is a US plug version, but apparently they have a couple of different choices as well for other countries. So you're not just limited to North America. So really cool, awesome. I love these little things. They're good just to have for a couple of lamps in your house, that sort of thing, and really easy to use. So thank you guys so much for watching. Leave me any questions you may have. Hit that like button, hit that sub button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks.